Alright, hi everybody. I am going to work on add-ons, and I'm going to go to the teacher rubric. This is a pretty cool add-on, so I'm going to click on Score Rubric. And then it's going to add this beginning part here, and this is pretty cool because as you create your document or look at student documents, you can just add this rubric right on this Google Doc. Okay, and then so as you look on the side here, it pretty much just tells you what to do. And as an art teacher, I'm not as specific. I'm not going to do a specific grade here, as what students were working on here is just a practice skill of creating a goal. So I'm going to select great, good, average, and then it gives me an option for writing, which I really do love because artwork, creation, and writing have very clear connections. I'm going to go ahead and select vocabulary, so I'm looking for a specific vocabulary that they've used. And I do want complete sentences. And then sometimes I ask students to have a certain presentation, which we're coming to the end of the quarter, so I may use that. And then I'm just looking for completion. So I'm going to click Create Rubric, and let's see if it works this time. And now you can see that it's added all of these different things in here, which I love. Super slick. Okay. And then you can just go ahead and click on here. If the student has done everything that I expected, I can go ahead and just add 12 out of 12. Okay. And you can just read through it. It's very self-explanatory, and I can click Score Rubric. And I can click through here as well. And then there's also grade adjustments, so you can add those in there, and I can click Process Grade. And so I can go ahead and put in there. So I haven't done all of this. Last time it did not give me this. Okay, so I can change all of those if I want to. I think the student has done great. Okay, and I'm going to click Finished. And it looks like I have some more work to do figuring this out. But it looks like it's graded. Okay, and you can see how it's really given that 100% in there. So I do really like this. I think I want to do quite a bit more with this add-on.